Hey, what's going on, guys? We just took a little mini vacation to Vegas. And whenever I take a trip somewhere, I've got to find barbecue. This is supposed to be some of the best in Vegas. So let's see what it's all about. Roller smoke barbecue. It smells amazing in here. I'm excited.
Look, I actually just looked at the thing and it brought up the word.
You see, they have all you can eat for $34.99. But the thing is, you have to go and stand back in line. It's not like a buffet line, so you might stand in line for 30 minutes to get a refill on your food, so it's kind of not worth it. They were pretty proud of that rub. $20 for that package. Now this little aquarium is pretty cool. It actually, if you see in there, it's got like ribs, beef ribs, a big fat burger, charcoal, and hot links in there for the decoration. So this thing is pretty neat, and it's made at our old barbecue pit. So yeah, this is pretty dope. Right, here's our meal. We've got what was called? This is called
The Pit Special.
Called the Pit Special. Was $27.99. You got pulled pork, hot links, chicken, brisket, a couple of bones of ribs, baked beans, collard greens, and dirty rice. So this is $28 for that. Let's see how it tastes. Here are collards. Collard greens are okay. They could use a little more seasoning, but they taste all right. All right. The baked beans are good though. They taste homemade, like they have brisket in them. They're real good. I like those a lot. Then we got dirty rice. I like the dirty rice. My wife is not the biggest fan of it, but it's pretty good to me. This is one of the highest rated barbecue spots in Vegas. So the sides are all right. Let's try this rib. This is more like a rib. Oh, I got it. It's good. I'm smoking. That's pretty good. As far as barbecue spots I've been to, that rib probably is like top 2 or 3. So I don't know if that's a good thing, because I've been to a lot of barbecue spots and some of the ribs have been terrible. But that's pretty good. I would order it again. Hot link. Well, hot link is delicious, but it's not very hot. But it tastes really good. That's not bad. All right, pulled pork. Yeah, the pulled pork is juicy. pretty tender, but it's not very flavorful.
Right.
I don't taste very much smoke on it at all. It's okay. It definitely needs a sauce. Yeah, thank you. It needs a sauce. Now, if you had barbecue sauce on it, it'd be pretty good. Chicken ain't bad though. It's not rubbery. Smoke well. That's pretty good. And then here's the last but not least, the brisket. Brisket is pretty good. It's definitely tender. It's not dry. It could be a little more smoky to me, but it's pretty good. This place is good. I guess out of 5, a scale from 1 to 5, I'll give it a solid 4, 4.5. There's some hits and some misses here, but it's pretty good. So this is called Roll and Smoke Barbecue, right here in Vegas. It's about maybe 10 minutes off the Vegas Strip, so if you're in Vegas and you're looking for barbecue, I'd recommend this place. Give it a shot. It's pretty good. Hey, I definitely recommend Roll and Smoke Barbecue. If you're in the Vegas area, check them out. Appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed my little vlog. Talk to you next time.